Hello, Victor here, StoryMercedes.com. This is a quick video for Mark in Pennsylvania. This is 1994 S600 coupe lower harness, positive cable harness. So I just finished it. I just wanted to make a couple of points, Mark. Basically, I just made it the way it is made. The lengths are pretty much all the same. Just that if you have any issues, these sleeves, you can pull them in and out. There's, you know, they're not permanent, so they slide in and out. And also the connector, the main plug, so this one you can also slide in and out. So it depends where your main connector is. So you just have to figure this out when you're already working on the vehicle, because I had to cut this portion off just so I can get the wires nicely. So this is basically, that's all I wanted to say. It's just easier to show than to explain over the phone. This one actually worked out well. It didn't break. Your original sticker is still here. Now, these wires do not fail because these are they're like cloth with, it's just good stuff. In other words, this is like cloth plastic. It's totally different from the rest of these wires that fail. And one wire that actually broke when I started to feed it, I pulled the old one out and it broke halfway, which was the alternator wire. So that one was basically rotted already at this point, because I didn't have to put lots of effort. I just start pulling it out and it's just like boom, broke right somewhere in the middle area there. So, and you know, obviously all the insulation, it was like shot, and you know, I don't have to explain you because you removed it, so you know how. Is this the old? Oh yeah, wait a minute. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. See, there was like one shrink here left. This is from the. I just pulled it from garbage. This is from the. I think this is the wire actually. Yeah, I believe so. So anyway, it just broke right here, clean. You see how clean it has broken off, just right there. So, well, I mean, maybe alternator was working it, but maybe not. I don't know. But this one was basically on its last leg. So the insulation, you know, you start touching it, it just, as you can see, breaks apart. It's you know, right away. Here are the strings, individual wires. So anyway, that's all. This is a quick one because I just wanted to show you these couple of points, and that's it. And I can mail it back out to you. All right, so this is all. Victor here, StoryMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.